Iloilo offers a rich trail of cultural heritage and exciting tourism sites that would invigorate visitors and travelers to experience everything it has to offer. It is known for its luscious and mouth-watering sweets and pasalubongs that are mostly attributed to its cultural past as the biggest importer of sugar. Let's find out the best sweets and pasalubongs in Iloilo. Number 1. Barquillos. Barquillos is made up of flour, sugar, eggs and shortening blended together to create a soft and sweet snack that melts in your mouth. It is also a perfect pair for ice cream. Barquillos is a Spanish word for wafer. Number 2. Biscocho. Biscocho are traditionally leftover bread baked and topped with sweetened milk and butter. It is the most popular Ilonggo pasalubong. Biscocho House is the most popular of all stores that sells the best biscocho in Iloilo. Number 3. Ugoy-ugoy. Ugoy-ugoy are typically rectangular or ribbon-like in shape and are topped with granulated sugar. Biscocho House makes the best ugoy-ugoy in Iloilo with main branch in Haro Plaza. Number 4. Galletas. Galletas is a favorite snack among Ilonggos for its sweet taste and a perfect pair for coffee or any drink. It's crispy, thin, and tasteful to the mouth. Number 5. Banyadas. Banyadas is a cookie topped with sugar-glazed icing that is crunchy eaten on its own, but when dipped in milk and coffee, will melt in the mouth. Biscocho House in Haro District makes the tastiest banyadas. Number 6. RG's Butterscotch. Butterscotch is made up of flour, butter, sugar, eggs, and nuts. This is one of the best-seller Ilonggo pasalubong because of its sweet and chewy taste. They come in different variants like original, mango, pineapple, prunes, and many more. Number 7. Piaya. Piaya is a flatbread with sweet muscovado filling. It tastes great, cold or warm. Number 8. Nang Palang Spice. Established in Barangay Trapiche, Oton, Iloilo, Nang Palang's buko pie is presently one of the best delicacies you can savor and bring home when visiting the province. Scrumptious and heavenly delicious pie with tasteful coconut meat mixed with milk and pie dough. This popular buko pie comes with a packaging that is both homey and very Ilonggo in concept. Number 9. Mohon's Bibingka. Noted for its mouth-watering flavor and rich coconut strip fillings, the famous bibingka in Barangay Mohon, Oton, Iloilo is a favorite stopover and delicacy among local patrons and visitors. Their bibingka is known as Bukayo Bibingka, which is more tasteful, heavy on coconut fillings, and would put other bibingkas to shame if you can taste their own bibingka. Number 10. Creamhorn. Another delicacy that is continuously gaining a lot of attention is Margex Creamhorn, with the store located in Haro District, just a few meters away from Colegio de San Jose. Creamhorn is so deliciously captivating with its milky cream fillings and crunchy horn-like crispy bread covering. Margex Creamhorn is a new addition to a long list of Ilonggo keepsakes whenever you travel or visit the city.